In this video, we will be showing you how to dispense liquid nitrogen. First things first, we have to open the doors. We have a key here that we'll get from our faculty. And we'll just open these doors here. These doors, they need to remain open at all times while you are dispensing and slightly after you are dispensing as well. They'll lock in place automatically when you push them open. Alright, in here we have our dewar that we're going to be filling with liquid nitrogen today. And what we want to do first is you'll see this control here. Right now this key is set to stop. We want to turn it so that it's turned to filling. The power light will come on. What we want to wait is for the yellow light to turn on here as well. So this yellow light here is on now, which tells us that the liquid nitrogen is ready to dispense.
We need to wear proper clothing to dispense liquid nitrogen safely. Closed-toed shoes, long pants or skirt, and a shirt covering the torso and shoulders.
First things first, we need our goggles. Safety goggles are a must when you are dispensing liquid nitrogen because the nitrogen can freeze your eyes. So let's protect our eyes and put on our goggles. Next, we need to protect our ears. It's typically very loud as you're dispensing, so these will help protect that. We also have a face shield for added protection. And last but not least, we need to make sure that we're wearing our cryo gloves. This will protect our hands as we're dispensing. Liquid nitrogen is always boiling and expanding into a gas. Therefore, we need to make sure that we have the right container, the dewar for it, and we also need to be careful about the oxygen level inside of the closet. One protection we have is to leave the doors open to allow air exchange, and there's also a monitoring alarm that we'll discuss later in this video, and we also use a snorkel to suck away as much nitrogen vapor as possible. To set this up, position the dewar so that you have access to it. Have the snorkel nearby to make sure that the valve in the snorkel is open. This is the open position. You can hear that it's sucking up some air. Okay, and now we are ready to start dispensing. The liquid nitrogen is going to be dispensed from this hose. At the end here you can see what's called a diffuser, a phase separator. This is the part that we're going to put into the dewar. So put it into the dewar. Again, make sure that your snorkel is on. And then we're going to turn this valve.
You will hear a tonal change once the liquid nitrogen begins dispensing, and possibly a pulsing. You can tell when the dewar is full either by listening for when the diffuser hits liquid or seeing the nitrogen spill at the top. Turn off the valve when you are done and turn the key back to the stop position. There is a monitoring alarm near the liquid nitrogen closet which will alert you if the oxygen level gets low. As the oxygen level drops from 20, the first alarm that goes off is a flashing alarm. At this point, the oxygen depletion is not yet dangerous, but it's a warning that all is not right. If you see this alarm, make sure the doors are open wide and adjust the snorkel if need be. The second stage comes after even more of the oxygen is depleted. You will hear an alarm and a notice will go out to campus police, even though it isn't a priority notice. If this happens, make sure you are not in the closet. Either slow down the dispensing rate or stop dispensing liquid nitrogen until the alarm goes away. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video on dispensing liquid nitrogen.